Making a move, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, making a move. This is a common expression in English, but it can be a bit tricky to understand its various meanings and uses. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Initially, making a move can be understood in its literal sense. It means to physically move or change your position. For example, in a game like chess, making a move refers to moving a chess piece. This is the most straightforward interpretation, but not the only one. In a more figurative sense, making a move often refers to taking initiative in a social situation. It's commonly used when talking about romantic or social situations, like asking someone out on a date. Here, making a move implies taking a risk or stepping out of your comfort zone to initiate something new. In the context of career or personal growth, making a move can mean taking steps towards a goal or making a significant change. This could be changing jobs, starting a new project, or making a life-changing decision. It's about action and progression in one's professional or personal life. The meaning of making a move largely depends on the context and the tone in which it's said. It's important to pay attention to these cues to understand whether it's being used literally, romantically, professionally, or in another sense. I hope this video clarifies the different ways making a move can be used in English. It's a versatile phrase that can add a lot of color to your conversations. Remember, understanding idioms like this one is a great step towards fluency in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.